seasonal movement of birds flying south to north in the summertime. They originate in the center of the earth, and they move out to the clouds when they meet their leader, Falcor. And while doing this, it's a well-known fact that they all partake in a massive orgy of birds. It's not a pretty sight. It usually happens above the clouds, where it's like out of human sight, so it's pretty good.
Like the great Aristotle once said, I don't like birds.
While they're migrating, they usually fly in V-shaped patterns to represent the god named Venus. That's why they fly in the V, because I mean, it's a well-known fact.
There's about 5 different classes of birds. There's hens,
Penguins, turkeys, geese,
chickens, penguins, turkeys, and roosters. Those are the 5.
While they're migrating, they usually fly in V-shaped patterns to represent the god named Venus. That's why they fly in the V. So this is a little bit fast. My favorite dinosaurs.